the real XLs and secure them with screws. Then attach the spoiler as shown. Press the lead tooth gasket tightly into the bottle cap on the rear engine compartment. Place the triangular injector inside the bottle, then screw the bottle into the bottle cap on the rear engine compartment. Place the front wheel into the front axle and secure them with screws. Snap the bottle hook into the bottle's groove while aligning the front compartment. The bottle hook once set secure with screws.
Let it go.
And then to the fish line.
For more videos, like and subscribe.